Welcome to Baguio. Parang tulog ko siya. So ngayon pa nagko-contemplate sila if sasakay kami or maglalakad kami ng 30 minutes papunta sa aming natutuluyan. Good morning! So naglalakad na po kami. We are going to our inn. Kasi tipid version daw tong trip na to. Look at them. Sige. Kaya namin yan. Strong independent women kami. Oh. See that? For the strong independent women. Ang peg. Hi SM. Let's go. Hi guys. So nandito na kami sa aming stay in sa ano nga to? Balay ni Felipa. Okay, so yon. So let me tour you sa aming stay. So parang kasolo namin yung buong area. Wait. So, nito kami. We are waiting for our jeepney to go to, where are we going?
Mount Camisong.
Hi! So, we are here at Mount Camisong already. Oh my goodness, it's all foggy. Ang fog! As in! Hello! So, we are here at Mount Camisong. Someone is buying our tickets and us, we're just gonna walk around. Ang kukundaligay sa lagi pala sa... We're just gonna walk around for a bit. Wow, look at this view. So we got the location map right here. We are here sa main entrance. No, we are in Hiraya. So it's the number 2.
If you want to hydrate yourself, yan po. Why? Kasi we're promoting sustainability.
Hi po! Sama po kayo. Hi!
Enjoy!
Yeah, so here... Ay! Ano ba? Yeah, so here we are. Hi, Amy! So we're going to explore Mount... Saan na tayo?
Kasipong.
Ha?
Camisong.
Camisong! So, explore muna namin siya. So, it's a downhill exploration, guys. So, good luck sa amin. Paakyat. Sa paglalakad with our very good knees at the young age of secret. Iniwan na nila kami. Pero look at the view while we're walking. I'm gonna do 0.6. Look at the view of plenty pine trees. Plenty trees pala. See, and very foggy. Named after the clouds, Alapap Viewing Deck invites you to take in expansive panoramic and sunset views. Walking around. And it stopped raining for a bit.
Praying for the sun.
We're praying
Sana
for
umaraw
the
na
sun.
talaga ng tuloy-tuloy.
That's so true. We want to see yung view. We like the fog, but we love to see the view. Okay?
Ito na
So kami, we're going to have our lunch in here. Bakit dito tayo? Kasi may libreng complimentary drink na yung rice meal pag umorder ka. Up till the end of the July lang. And look at Mr. Sun! He showed up! Sunny already! Oh my goodness! God loves us. Ang sunny niya na! Okay. Look at our food. We got our food. So we have, ano nga to? Chicken. Chicken bagnet with Pinoy sambal with complimentary purple juice. Hindi. It's takip silim. Okay. So Amy also has the same food. Hi, Ames. And Catherine has this coffee. And then itong, ano to? I forgot. Ang tawag na dito. Basta yun. Coffee. We also got Ilocos empanada. Gutom na, oh.
Selfie na lang natin para makapagod.
Sige. Huy, alika na. We're hungry. Hindi kami makakain. Because they're still taking some photos, guys. We need to eat. So guys, eto na. Andito na tayo sa portion na naniningil na kami. Singilan na to the max. Kung sino ang nagbayad, kailangan maningil na maningil. Tignan nyo yan. Hi! Say hi, hi, hi. Yan, bayad-bayad na. Bayad-bayad. Bayad-bayad. We are finally in Sagada! Ay, malalaglag ko pa eh. After 8 hours of traveling. Room tour tayo, room tour. Room tour. Room tour to pero makalat na. So, papapasok namin may bed na here. And then, may table na tinambakan na namin. Double deck. And then, isa pang bed na kasi ang dalawang tao. And we have our own CR and our own balcony. But it's raining outside. It's raining outside, oh. Kaya, yun. Ano ko pa kayo tutur dyan? Tada! This is their kitchen and dining area. Look at that. Hi! So, eto kami guys. Kakarating lang namin dito ng mga, ano oras ito mateng?
6
Almost 7 na ba?
Yeah.
Kulang-kulang magsa 7 na rin. And then, gutom na kami. Wala pa kaming kinain. Na-realize namin na wala palang mga open na restaurant na ng ganong oras at medyo malayo pa siya from the main town. And umuulan. So, Skyflakes, Milo, cup noodles, and bread for the win tayo tonight. Kaya namin to. Good morning, Sagada. So, hi. Sorry if it's video. Siyempre, binaba ko na lang. Tada! Oh, hindi ko nitatapat sa kanila. But we're going on a hike. Going to the Mulberry Hills. Let's go. Guys, wala niyo, hindi niyo na ako makita sa vlog. Tingin ng ilaw, mi. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung konting mukha namin. We are here already. Yay! Look at that. Wala pa yung sunrise, ha? Pero, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So ganda. Worth it ang pag-aakyat namin. Hi guys, so ito na kami sa Blue Soil. Andun siya. Pero before that, dine-explore. Gutom na kami. Kaakyat. Pagod na kami. Kakain muna kami. Okay? Yeah. So nagutom na kami. Kakain na muna kami ng pancake and ano to? Kikiam. Hi! We are at Blue Soil. So, you guys know why it's called Blue Soil? Why is it called Blue Soil? Ames?
Obviously, because the soil is color blue.
So, why is it color blue?
Because of the copper.
Wow! And the
I don't know.
rain.
Okay.
Diba? Kasi acidic.
Oo.
Ayun. Pakicorrect na lang po kami sa comments if mali po yung sinabi namin. Pero yun po yung amin narinig. Guys, we survived! Ang pagod, but we survived. Tumuwid kami ng 4, 5 na bundok. Guys, we are going to Sumaging Cave right after the Mulberry Hills at saka yung Blue Soil. Yes! Sabi namin, kailangan namin to. Ito na! Di ba nag-net?
Papunta ka dito sa left. Yan. Go. Lean back na kaunti. Yan.
Yeah, very good. Stand up. Slowly, slowly, slowly until the tip. Hold it there, hold it there. Hold. Good job. Congratulations. One more time. Yan. Stop para hindi more.
Hi guys! Itong vlog na to talaga, pasisihin niyo itong mga kasama ko kapag hindi ko kompleto. So, we're done with our pottery. Trying out, yan o. So, ito yung mga ginawa namin. Look at that.
Pinakamaganda yung akin.
Siyempre yung akin. Ito yung akin. Kasi papadala ko siya sa Cavite. So, I can take it home. For them, yan. Diba? And, this is their shop. Ayan. Hey. So that was the pottery, guys.
Ay po, nag-hi si Sir sa vlog natin.
And we're going na sa ito.
Lubos-lubusin na natin to.
Ay, sama ka na, let's go! Come on!
Relax.
Hi
Okay?
po. So, tapos na kami sa, saan tayo kanina? Hanging Coffins, and then cemetery, yung mga kaninang videos namin. So, dito po kami ngayon sa Coffee, Echo. Hi guys! So, tapos na yung aming Sagada Tour. Yay! Palakpakan! Ito na po sila after the tour. Videos.
Dapat before and after tayo.
Makikita na sa videos yun, before and after. Yung mga itsura natin. So, since yesterday, ito yung aming first proper meal.
Oh my goodness.
For the first proper meal, we have bangus na sisig, curry, same kanya, Kaiminsu is adobo. Eat well guys, eat well. Hi guys! Natapos na kami sa aming Sagada Tour. Nagawa namin in one day. Antindi namin, gawin nyo rin yan. Hanapin nyo lang si Sir Biog, ha? Sisend ko ilalagay ko sa comments or dito yung kanilang details. Very good siya guys and very happy kami sa experience namin sa kanya. Yay! Thank you guys for watching!